Hello everyone, welcome to our channel as a Tejas Bhatt channel. Today we will learn how to install Kali Linux in a USB drive, means how to create a bootable USB drive or a pen drive. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, we have to download the Kali Linux and a software as which we create a bootable drive. As a software name is nothing but a Rufus. Okay, so now download this softwares one by one. Okay, so open the any browser. Okay, type here Kali Linux. Okay, download. Then go for official website as a kalilinux.org. Tap here. This is the first link and go for there and see here. Scroll down. There are number of Kali Linux are there. Among them we have to select as a Kali Linux 64-bit live, size of 2.9 GB. Okay, I go for 64-bit because of my system is 64-bit. If you are 32-bit, so you can go for Kali Linux 32-bit. Okay, now so I simply tap on this Kali Linux 64-bit live, right? So it will be downloaded. Okay, now see, I have already downloaded this ISO file of Kali Linux, so I simply pause it. Okay, now go for another software. I said earlier is nothing but a Rufus. Okay, Rufus, download. This is the official website rufus.ai. Tap here, scroll down, see what is Rufus. Rufus create a bootable USB drives. Okay, now okay, this is the Rufus link. Rufus 3.11, size is nothing but a 1.1 MB. Simply tap on it, it will be download. Simply it's a 1 MB. So now open here, so in folder. Okay, Rufus is downloaded. Okay, now I have also download as ISO file also. So now simply tap on a Rufus, it will be open. Okay, now here is the open the Rufus 3.11. Now the first option is we have to select the device in which we have to install the Kali Linux. Okay, so that means we have to plug the USB device. Okay, simply I plug here and is shown here is the name of the drive. Okay, now here is the second option is that means we have to select the ISO file that we have to install in a particular this USB drive. So for that, go for the select in the particular location which ISO file is already downloaded. Okay, see here I have downloaded ISO file of Kali Linux. Tap here, simply open. Okay, now next is that means next is nothing but we have to select the persistent partition size. Okay, here basically its use have for the persistent partition is nothing but that space which we have to require for the storing the change in a Kali Linux. Okay, so for that generally it be preferable as a 1 GB for storing some data that we have to change in Kali Linux. Then next is nothing but given a name of volume label. Okay, okay, now here we also tick mark here quick format and extend label. Okay, now simply tap here for the start the installing the Kali Linux into USB drive. Okay, see it asks here for the data will be destroyed. Okay, that means it will be go for the quick format also, and also it will be a partitions into the USB drive. Okay, so out of your 16 GB or 8 GB pen drive, that means it will be stored only at 2 GB. Okay, remaining space in a USB drive will be you will access for the simply copy and paste and whatever you storing the data. Okay, so simply go for the allow for the partitions. Okay, now it will go for the deleting the partitions already which I have created in this USB drive. it also formatting the USB drive. Okay, see here, it will take some time, near to 5 to 7 minutes for the installing the Kali Linux into USB drive. Okay, so finally it's installing in a USB drive. Okay, now close here. Okay, see, now we have to restart our PC. Before we go for the restart, simply we have to plug your USB drive. Okay, and then we have to go to the restart. Okay, then because of we have to set the first boot for the Kali Linux, right? So for this we have to go for the restart, then select and we have to go into the booting, then select the booting first as a USB drive. Okay, so simply we go for the restart. Restarting, for booting, entering a booting, you have to press F10 or F2 for entering the setup. Okay, now we are entered into the setup and then go into the boot. Here we have to select the first option as a USB drive. Second option we have to select the Windows. Okay, now then press F10 for save and exit. Simply save configuration. Yes. Now the Kali Linux will be loaded from the USB drive. Okay, here live system, that means you have to select the first option. Simply press enter. Now here Kali Linux files are loaded. So here it takes some time for loading all the files. Now see here, here is a Kali Linux is installed. Okay, drives and all are things here. Okay, so that's it. We installed the Kali Linux in a USB drive. Okay, but make sure that when you install the Kali Linux using with Rufus, when you go for the restart the system, on that time you must have to plug your pen drive or USB drive. Okay, so thanks for watching. Give some comments if you have any doubts and queries, so we will discuss on that comment box. Okay, so okay, thank you, thanks for watching. Take care, stay home.